Give it up for Jasmine Barnes.
Baby, I love you. You are my life. My happiest moments weren't complete if you weren't by my side. You're my relation, connection to the sun. With you next to me, there's no darkness I can't overcome. You are my raindrops, I am the seed. With you and God, who's the sunlight, I bloom and grow so beautifully. Baby, I'm so proud, proud to be a girl. You make the confusion go all away from this cold and mixed world. I'm in love with you. You set me free. I can't do this thing called life without you here with me, 'cause I'm dangerously in love with you. You'll never leave. I can't do this thing called life without you here with me, 'cause I'm dangerously in love with you. I'll never leave. Just keep loving me the way you're loving me, 'cause I'm dangerously in love with you.
All right, let us hear from the judges, starting with Anthony.
Yeah, Jasmine Barnes, you have this air of mystery. There's something interesting and alluring about you. Did you do justice to that Beyonce song? Not totally in my estimation, but I still find you compelling.
All right, Conroy.
Yeah, you know, I can see a little something going on between you and Donika, because both of you kind of vying now to see who is going to be on the lead for tonight's performance. It wasn't the best thing for Beyonce, but you brought something to it. I like your kind of style, and you already have the package, so keep going.
Elaine.
Yes, there's something fascinating about you, and that is definitely giving you a one-up on a lot of people in the competition. I think that it should have been pitched lower so that when you reach the chorus, you could hit the note. You were a little bit under, you know, and that's so important so that you can really commit to it when you feel more comfortable to it, so we can feel more from your performance, because I could feel you saying, oh, I wonder if me not hit it too right. Okay, maybe me need, oh my gosh, it's too done. Okay, may I go sing the wrong lyrics now because I'm a little, because I heard that too happening, you know. So make sure to always be in a comfortable key, but you know, you have a sweet voice and a great image. So good job, by the way.
Thanks, judges.